You'll need a safety pin, a long purse strap, and your scarf. Let's begin. We're going to fold our chain in half. Then we're going to align the center of the chain with the center of our neck, with the ends dangling down our back. Now we're going to choose which end of the scarf we want to wrap around our chain. Now we're going to tie the point that we've chosen around our chain strap. And don't tie it too tight because we're going to come back to that. To secure the top, we're going to pull the left and the right ends of the scarf through the clasp. Now we're going to adjust the waist to our liking so you could pull that tighter or looser, and then we're going to tie the back. Now we can go ahead and tighten the knot and then safety pin it into place. You can also tie a knot around the ends of the scarf to secure the clasp in place. I like to tie the back twice for security. So in love with this top. Too cute. Okay, now I'm going to give you something extra. You can go ahead and make this into a crisscross backless top. Instead of tying your top in the back, you're going to go ahead and tie it in the front and then tuck that tie underneath the front of the top. I like this version also. I'm probably going to wear both over the summer. I'm ready to turn up. Alright, thank you for watching. See you next tutorial.